Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating the track that captures your voice. Open Garageband, tap Tracks, then Plus to make a new project. Choose Voice or Audio Recorder so the app uses the mic correctly. Once done, tap the input settings and set your input level. Make sure noise cancellation is on if background hiss is present. You should position the iPhone and test one short take to see levels peak near -6 dB, because correct gain prevents clipping and preserves clarity. Now you record the performance while controlling levels and technique. Arm the track for recording, enable a 1 or 2 bar count-in so you get ready, and hit record. Watch the level meter and aim for peaks around -6 dB to leave headroom. Make sure you wear headphones to avoid bleed and hold the iPhone mic 4-8 inches away. Use a pop filter or a small foam if plosives appear. If a take sounds off, stop, adjust distance or gain, and record another pass. Finish by cleaning the take and exporting at the correct quality. Trim or split clips in the track view, use normalize or manual gain to match levels, then add gentle compression and a subtractive EQ to reduce sibilance. These moves make the voice sit well in mixes. Once satisfied, tap Share, choose Song or export to files at 44. 1 kHz/16-bit or higher. If you hear distortion, immediately lower input gain and re-record. If noise persists, enable noise gate or record in a quieter space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.